Making salads here this morning. Starting all over again. We got some new recruits in from Alabama.
Yeah.
What's your name? Rebecca?
Rebecca.
Rebecca. Hey, Rebecca.
My husband Kevin down there.
And is it Kevin or Kevin? Kevin's from Alabama.
What's up?
How you doing?
And I'm like, okay. I don't give you any
Who cares? It tastes
Gabby,
the
you're
same.
from, where are you from? You're visiting from Costa Rica?
No, sir. I am from Mexico, but I live here in America. I'm an American citizen.
You really didn't have to
I'm a
stipulate that, but
I'm a
okay.
missionary in Costa Rica.
Oh, okay. All right. I've heard Costa Rica. And who do we have here? Janet. Janet, where are you from, Janet?
I'm from New Orleans.
Oh, awesome. All right. Give it to me, Molly. How many meals did we serve yesterday?
We served 17,930.
Awesome.
Yes, it is awesome. That is putting us over 130,000 meals for like 10 days.
Wow. Come on. What are we doing over here?
Cutting pork.
Sausage. How are we doing, Gabby?
Cutting sausage.
Bottom, chop the leaves on top.
Uh-huh. Let's see this. We got it down?
Then 1/8 the strip.
Yep. Right down the middle.
Or more than once.
No, just once. No, just one time per son.
Okay. And then 1/8 inch.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Little thinner now. There you go. Perfect. Kevin, say hi to the world.
Hello, world.
Where are you from?
Birmingham, Alabama.
All right,
Church
cool.
of the Highlands.
All right. Perry, where are you from?
Zachary, Louisiana.
Where? Zachary. Zachary. Okay.
Zachary,
All right.
yes.
And we're doing celery. Rebecca is Kevin's better part. Yeah.
Verbena, Alabama.
Verbena.
Yes.
And Steve Klocke, where are you from?
I am from God.
Oh, there you go. Awesome. All right, sausage cutters. Say hi to the camera. Look up. Say hi. All right. How about that stuff, huh? Got some chicken and rice and beans. I'm putting in a tortilla, fruit salad. And of course, my deja vu. Say hi, Steve.
It's good.
You don't, yeah. I mean, we don't really even know you, but okay.
I'm trouble.
Trouble, yes. All right. Everybody's eating. What's your name?
Kylie.
Huh?
Kylie.
Kylie. Okay, did you lose power?
Yeah.
Yeah. For how long? When did it come back?
I came back a while ago. I lost count.
Yeah, okay. So you're just here helping today?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. Good afternoon from New Orleans. Steve and I have done our morning shift. I think I got promoted. I think Steve did too. We both have been promoted to like kitchen managers. It's neither a bad thing or a good thing.
You kissed ass.
Well, yeah, I kissed a little ass too. It's just the natural progression when I step into a kitchen. I get promoted immediately. But no, some of the old folks left already, so they needed some extra help. So we kicked up. It was a busy morning. I think we got a total of 14 cases of lettuce, 6 cases of celery, about 500 pounds of andouille sausage, and Steve cut 50 pounds of cherry tomatoes in half. And anyway, I just noticed that sculpture behind me is an interesting sculpture. A touch of culture here in New Orleans. So we're home for rest period for a couple hours, and then we're back out this afternoon. We've heard that maybe this afternoon might be about an hour shorter. We'll take it. And then we're going to work a long shift in the morning. We're going to check out of this place, and then work a long shift in the morning, and then we're going to have one more evening in New Orleans. Might actually go out to a restaurant in New Orleans to get some Creole food, and then Saturday morning, first thing, we head out. So thanks for all your prayers and all your help, and we will talk to you soon. We'll put together a movie again for tonight. Oh no, it's perfect actually. I liked it. Daddy Frank, the guitar man, was blind. Come on. What are we doing over here? Sausage. How we doing, Gabby?
Cutting sausage.
Bottom, chop the leaves on the top.
Uh-huh. Let's see this. We got it down?
Then 1/8 the strip.
Yep. Right down the middle.
Or more than once.
No, just once. No, just one time per stalk.
Okay. And then 1/8 inch.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Little thinner now. There you go. Perfect. Kevin, say hi to the world.
Hello, world.
Where are you from?
Birmingham, Alabama.
All right,
Church
cool.
of the Highlands.
All right. Perry, where are you from?
Jackery, Louisiana.
Where? Zachary. Zachary. Okay.
Zachary,
All right.
yes.
And we're doing the celery. Rebecca is Kevin's better part.
Verbena, Alabama.
Verbena.
Yes.
And Steve Klocke, where are you from?
I am from God.
Oh, there you go. Awesome. All right, sausage cutters. Say hi to the camera. Look up. Say hi. All right. Well, little adventure this afternoon. We got home for our little break, which I videotaped earlier, so you'll see that in a minute. And then our landlord from the Airbnb came in the front door. He goes, "Hey, you guys are supposed to be out." I go, "No, I'm not supposed to be out. We reserved all the way through tomorrow." He goes, "No, you did not, sir." And I looked, and somehow our reservation did get changed in the process of me grabbing a room very quickly. So we had to go find the last room in New Orleans because the Saints in Green Bay are playing this weekend. So the rooms got booked out. We already had one we knew we had to move out the next night and move into a hotel room. We have one for tomorrow night, but thankfully, thank you, we got a room. The last one that was not booked on Expedia. So there you go. Provides. Anyway, so we had a little exciting there.